Ernst Mayr, 1904 to 2004, also called Darwin of the 20th century. His research spanned ornithology, taxonomy, geography, evolution, systematics, and the history and the philosophy of biology. The living world. What is indeed of life? The question implies two questions within it. Technical one, living is opposed to be non-living. Second, philosophical one, purpose of life is all living organisms grow, increase in mass, increase in number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. Plant continuously grow, animal only up to certain age, in vitro culture by simply counting the number of cells. In majority of higher animals, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. Increased body mass is considered as growth. Non-living organisms also grow. Mountains, boulders, sands also grow. Growth cannot be taken as defining property of living organism because non-living organisms also grow. Dead organism does not grow. Reproduction is characteristics of living organism. In multicellular organism, progeny more or less similar to the parents, invariably and implicitly we refer to sexual reproduction. Fungi multiply by million of asexual spores. Yeast and Hydra we observe budding. Planaria true regeneration. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mass all easily multiply by fragmentation. Amoeba reproduction is synonymous with growth. Mules, sterile worker bees, infertile human couple do not reproduce. Another characteristics of life is metabolism. The sum of total chemical reaction occurring in our body is metabolism. Outside the body, in a cell-free medium, metabolic reaction can be demonstrated. Outside the body, isolated metabolic reaction performed in a test tube is neither living nor non-living. Isolated metabolic reaction in vitro are not living thing but surely living reaction. Cellular organization of the body is the defining feature of life form. Most obvious and technically complicated feature of the living organism is the ability to sense their environment and surrounding and respond to physical, chemical or biological stimuli. Photoperiod affect reproduction in a seasonal breeders, both plant and animals. Only human beings are self-conscious. Consciousness is the defining feature of living organism. For a coma patient who never come back to normal life is considered as non-living. Properties of tissue are not present in the constituent cells, but as a result of interaction among the cells, properties of tissue are present. Properties of cellular organelle are not present in molecular constituent of the organelle, but arises as a result of interaction of molecular component comprising the organelle. Biology is the story of life on the earth. Biology is the story of evolution of living organisms on earth. Self-replicating, evolving, self-regulating, capable of responding to external stimuli. All living organisms, present, past, and future, linked to one another by sharing of common genetic material but to varying degrees. Diversity in the living world 1.7 to 1.8 million. the number and type of organisms present on the earth. Naming of living organism is called nomenclature. Nomenclature is only possible when the organism is described correctly. Know to what organism the name is attached to. This is identification. ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature.